share a few words of encouragement. Let us hear from our very own IACSES Dr. Nieves P. Dizon for her welcome address.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Elvie.
Hello. Thank you very much, Ma'am Elvie, for that introduction. Before anything else, I would like to have a roll call. Asa man ang atong grade 11. Indog, grade 11. Palakpakan nato sila. Thank you very much. Asa man ang atong grade 12. Oh, grade 12. Okay, thank you very much. Asa man ang atong ALS? ALS nato. ALS. Palihutan Indog. Okay, thank you very much for coming. And we have also grade 7 na Anilicia. Ahamatong grade 7. But anyway, we have a new curriculum, the junior high school, grade 7 to grade 9. Grade 10, sorry. Okay. Ang akong ngalan, Nieves Paradela Dizon. I'm a doctor in management. Kanan sa education, pagkahuman ninyo sa college, mag-masteral mo of 2 years, mag-3 years pag-yun mo, mag-doctoral. Pag-di mo mag-libro, dayon, ang ngalan na dayon, title would be doctor. Halimbawa na, during graduation, kung naitulong ka, stripes, ang tongga, 1, 2, 3, makakita mo o during graduation, natulong ka stripes, meaning to say, doctor na sila. Doctoral program na graduates. But, kung duha lang, wala siyang masteral graduate. Kung isa, bachelor's graduate. Ana ang meaning sa titles sa mga human sa education. Okay. In many researches, ang makapag-successful sa bata, makahuman yun siya, there are 3 factors. First, it's student factor, sa estudyante mismo. Then, we have the teacher factor, tungod sa maestra, na malambot siya. And the last would be the school factor. Sa tanan nga conclusion, ang makapa-successful sa bata is the student factor. Sa inyo ragyod nga kaugalingon nga determination, firm commitment na mahuman mo sa inyong pag-eskwela. Kana siya. Kay, in terms of the teacher factor, pakitulungan nato tanan among mga teachers, they are the most intelligent, dynamic teachers here in IACSES. Kasagaran nila Mindanao State University na graduate. Thank you very much. They are all honors, and some of them have finished their masteral program. Ang uban nag-study pa ang masteral program. So, di ko kaingon tungod sa study, pwede na. Kaya nahibawan naman namo kung sa naklase ang mga maestra dinhi sa IACSES. Amo rin silang pinili. Hindi sa kaingon na ka ng IACSES, o maninadang na eskwelahan, wala mga equipment. Of all the techbook education here in Iligan, kita na ang daghan kayo techbook programs. 21 programs. Palapakan na itong IACSES. So, hindi ka kaingon na tungod sa eskwelahan, walay ginahimo ang eskwelahan with improvement. So, it really depends on you, the student. Walang hindi ka kapinpoin, ikaw magugma. But you just remember, 3 fingers are pointing at you. So, kinahanglan, malimuha kita na makahuman sa atong pag-eskwela. There are certain policies and guidelines para tabangan mo, para moangat ang inyong level, no? We have plenty of success stories here that have been forwarded to DepEd, to the central office, and of course to TESDA. Kani sila, nagpalampusod yun, kay nano, naminaw sila sa maestra o ni-comply sa mga requirements kung unsay ipabuhat sa maestra. Ana ra yun. So kita mismo ang nagdala sa atong kagalingon kung ma-successful ka ta. O panalaminan ka sa Ginoo para kita makalampos sa atong goals in life. Daghan pa taong ika-istorya pero among ibuak ko ay lain ang istorya. And I think I'll close my welcome remarks. Welcome to iAccess. You are building your success here. Thank you.
Okay, at this point, let us get to know the dedicated individuals who will be working with Ma'am Mary Jane in Lagbas, our Vice President for Academic and Finance, for the introduction of faculty and staff and discussion of school rules.
To our President, faculty and staff, my dear parents, students, a pleasant good morning everyone. My task is to introduce the iAccess family behind your success and also the orientation. So our president is Dr. Nieves P. Bison. Yours truly, Mary Jane in Lagbas, the Vice President for Administration and Finance. Our principal, please come forward if I call your name. Sir TG, can you? Then Ma'am Bridge Talisi. Where's Ma'am Bridge Talisi? The advisor of section grade 12 Almon. Then Ma'am Cherry Lou Kapampangan, advisor of grade 12 Cashew. Ma'am Flora Manona, our teacher and trainer in bookkeeping and secretary, and at the same time our chairman in campaign. Ma'am Subaida Banquero, grade 11 advisor section Stevia. Ma'am Christine May Rosalio, grade 11 advisor section Pinil. Ma'am Cherry May Quijano, grade 11 advisor section Prime. Ma'am Elvira Padrigao, grade 12 advisor section Pistachio. To our staff, Ma'am May Jane Alquesa, our registrar and administrative officer, where you submit all your credentials. Sibo po gamay dito kay para naigo mo. Forward. Then Juanita Laguardia, our cashier and assistant registrar. Bernadette Belisario, our school nurse, property custodian, and at the same time trainer in bread and pastry, cookery, caregiving, housekeeping. Daghan siya o talent. Michael Vincent Nino Lagbas, our assessment center focal, technical staff, and at the same time trainer in driving, SMAU, NC1, NC2, and electrical, electronics product assembly, NC2, EPAS. Then Roald P. Pagaling, technical staff, trainer in our CSS, and then our teacher in tech draft, and also sa isa din dito ba sir? Isa? sa one of the subject, APEC. And then Angeline Aglaon, our assistant registrar. Then for teacher, where is Ma'am Angeline? Ay, nag-video. Wala si Ma'am Angeline. Then, Sir Joselito Roquillo, our actual trainer driver, and then maintenance. Then, Sir Nector Salinas, our maintenance and guard. Siya ang dili magpagawa sa inyo during classes. So these are all the people behind your success, headed by our President, Dr. Nieves P. Dizon. Thank you very much. Okay, before I give my proper orientation, I would like to remind you that the management give you multiple skills. If you take TBL track, you earn 2 to 3 programs. So you earn 2 programs if you get 1 long major and 1 short major. You can take 3 programs if you take 3 short major. For the youths, ABM and GAS, you have another 2 TBL track for free. Libre ni tanan-ha, walay bayad, as we indicated in our flyers and as we also told to our career guidance, because our advocacy is to give you quality education, and also you graduate here in iAccess with multiple skills so that you are attractive to the 3 exact points. What are those 3 exact points? One is you become an entrepreneur. Pwede mo magnegosyo after graduation kay daghan man mo mahuman nga skills. Second, you can find job. Pwede mo managbaho kay daghan man mo skills nga i-present ninyo sa company and other establishments. And the last one is to pursue your college dream course na kamunay mo gasto sa iyong kaugalingon. If you are hardworking enough, pwede ninyo ni ma-achieve ang tulo, ang incoming 3 exact points. Magnegosyo mo, a form of leverage, mag-hire mo kasi pabantayon sa iyong negosyo, and then manalbaho mo, and then in the evening, kay kung college na ka, pwede ka maka-choose ato ang schedule of classes. Dili pareha sa high school na morning and afternoon, but in college, you can choose na naanak kay klase in evening. So with that, dali mo madato, dali po mo makatabang sa inyong mga ginikanan. So mga ginikanan, ganahan mo anak? Ganahan mo anak na dali makatabang ang inyong mga anak after graduation sa senior high school? Magkatrabaho dayon. When my goddaughter graduated here in iAccess the other year, she took 4 TBL track. Why? Because the program she enrolled is new. So naay duha ka additional TBL track for free. She took cookery and housekeeping. Tungod kay ang among school na may scholarship na dawat sa TESDA, and you are also priority kung namin madawat na mga scholarship from TESDA. Nikuha pa yun siya o bookkeeping NC3, and nikuha pa siya o CSS NC2. Right after the HR personnel of Gaisano Mall, diya siya sa Gaisano Mall ni-apply after graduation. Imagine na, kung pag-graduate niya, fresh graduate from senior high school. The HR personnel told her that your credential is attractive to be employed abroad. Kung pag-good ka kaniyang nahuman. Then, inyo siya, why you want to work here in Gaisano Mall? And she told the HR that, I want to help my parents. So, lamig tayo no, nakatabang na rin siya ginutanan. And then, she received a minimum amount of, she was employed as cashier. Imagine, cashier ang iyang posisyon. High school graduate tungod sa kaning multiple skills. So wala may problema ani, bayaran mo tanan, wala may bayaran, libre ni tanan, ihatag sa inyo ha. Libre uniform, libre ID, libre consumables, everything is free. Ang inyo nagundang kung dili mga mama, ayaw padala yung mga anak o kwarta kay libre sila. Ang inyong ipadala balon ragyod kay hindi na ko sila pagawason o ang ila ang transportation. Libre sila sa grade 11 and grade 12 if you are a voucher recipient of DepEd. So halos masiguro tanan voucher recipient sa DepEd no. Kamok tanan gikan sa mga government school. Kaya ang private school, 80% lang shoulder sa government. Ang public school, 100% is shoulder sa government. So di ba, you are lucky. You are lucky that you choose I-Access. Kay libre ni tanan, and we are true to our advocacy. Daghan may giatinan sa among President Kakaraban. That's why we have a pending waiting for the OBAP to open. 99 all students, 99 sila kabuok waiting tungod sa amo ang pag-adto sa lain-laing lugar nagkaraban ni the President. So 99 kabuok. I don't know pila kabuok house naka-attend karon. And also after this orientation, ayaw sa kuli ang mga house kay napatay another meeting na ihatag sa inyo ha. Okay? So, lipay ba mo? Ngayon na ang ato ang ihatag sa management. Ano? Why is it the management give you that much? Because we do believe in blessings. If we can help people, blessings will follow. So, Ginoo na'y bahala sa mga. Okay. So, I will start now in the proper orientation. By the way, for those grade 12 students na wala pa nakakuha freebies, like for example sa CSS na wala pa nakakuha o additional guide, you need one short major sa inyong freebie. Kay long major man ang CSS, grade 11 and grade 12, plus na ako may pakapin ng isa. You can enroll this semester sa inyong freebies para daghan mo ma-skills na mahuman. For gas tubes and ABM and HE, you can take the bread and pastry, the cookery, and the housekeeping. For EIM and SMAU, you are lucky that this is all too low major. Since this is belong to ICT, IT Industrial Arts, ang inyong pagkapit sa SMAU, you can take SMAU 1, SMAU 2, and EIM NC3. So attractive kayo for employment locally and abroad after graduation in senior high school. Kaya daghan kayo mahuman, labi na mga lalaki. Mahal na kayo ang bayad sa welding, mahal na ang bayad sa EIM. Okay. Under the general norms, A, respect. So everybody will respect your teacher, your classmates, and your all faculty and staff here. And also your parents in your home and your siblings. Kinahanglan, importante kayo rin natay pag-respetar kada usa. The second one is honesty. Honesty is the best policy. Di ba? Hindi ka mamakak, kaya kung mamakak ta, hindi ka grasyahan sa Ginoo, kung sige ka mamakak. Gamay na magaling grasya mahatag sa Ginoo, hindi ka mamakak, how much more kung sige ka pamakak. Ayaw nagpamakak. Tell the truth. Ayaw ka we practice always cleanliness. Gamay atong school, but we must have kinahanglan limpyo kanunay. Kay maot kayo na, especially sa itong panimalay, kung atong balay hugaw. Di ba maot kayo tanawon, kung natin bisita, di tayo ganahan mo interview, maulaw ta. But if we always clean our room, our house, anytime kung natin bisita, di ka mahadlok. Kay limpyo kanunay atong balay. Then, letter B, classroom. So each classroom has your own advisor. So sa inyong mga advisor, kasi sila na ang magwan kung saan ninyo ang inyong mga classroom. Sometimes you have also a contest in a classroom kung kinsa to the cleanest and cutest and presentable classroom. We will reward them during December, during sa inyong Christmas party. Then, laboratory. Each of you in your TVL track or ICT or industrial arts has own laboratory. So you can use our laboratories for free. But kung namoy maguba, you have to pay. Anak. So, dili ko pwede nga inyong guba-guba o nasa nga tuwang. Although, gamay na itong school, cute, pero atong ampingan kay di na ito ni ampingan, mawalan pagka-cute. Maliwat na ako, matambok. O, di ba? Hindi na ma-cute. Dapat ampingan yun kung sa inyo nabutang sa I-Access. Then, your uniform and school ID. As I said, your uniform is free. Pero, isa ra, dili daghan. If you want to get to uniform, mabayad na mo sa isa. I don't know, Ma'am Jane, pila ang bayad sa uniform? 350. Kung magdugang mo isa, pero kung dili, libre na siya. Total, anyway, ang atong klase is only Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. If your son and daughter, mga sa iyong pamiliti, mayroon na, Ma'am, atong isulahan, Hoybis, Bernice, ayaw tagain. Kaya naman may mga advisor, you are aware na wala sila klase o Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, except for EIM. Sa ila ang additional major kay the trainer for EIM is available only on Saturday. Kung wala ka ng Thursday o Friday, ask your advisor kung ipaani ba sila for anang make-up class. Kung wala, ayaw tagaig pamiliti para makadaginot. Okay. Then, your excuse in class or go home. So kani, we will not allow them to go out, especially on classes time. Naman, para ang inyong mga anak safety. Kung pananglitan, masakit sila, so dapat any of the siblings or cousins or guardian or parents muadhi diri to pick them up. Dili ni mo sugot nga magawas nga walay permission o walay concern nga makuha sa ilaha. Understood, students? Kaya ato na ba mga estudyante diri last sem, nakita na ko, nihatag sa ako sa guard, daghan kayong ng gawas. So now, we will police that attendance na maggawas mo, and then once masaktan mo, na namakak mo, na gawas mo, we will sanction you. First is, dili pa yung expulsion. Naatay mga criteria about anak. Okay. When that had visited us last week, she told us na dili yun yung attractive ang inyong eskwelahan, ma'am, kay dili safety ang mga bata. But I told her, Mom, when classes start, nobody can out our school except with the consent of the parents. Kay among guard stricto na dili magpagawas. If the advisor will tell you na pagawasun mo, once kinsay nakaperma sa inyong mga pagawas mo, if something happened to you, they are are liable sa ilahang gibuhat ng pagpirma nga gipagawas mo. As I said, dili gyud ta magpagawas og estudyante. That's why you bring your baon when you go here to attend classes every day. Then, tardiness. So kung magsige mo ka late, you miss of your first class na subject. So dapat dili mo malate kay mo, I think 3 executive tardiness, that is subject for sanction. So naatay mga balaod ana. Okay. Then absences, kanipod dili magsige og absent para maka-learn kay kung magsige og absent, what are you learning? You are here to learn. You are here to have your multiple skills. Dapat kanunay gud mo i-attend og classes. As I said, tulo ra adlaw ang ato ang klase. Mo na mo attend na gud mo kanunay. Agbantahan na dili mo kapuyan kay right after graduation in senior high school, you are attracted to find jobs. Kay dili gud mo madawat og trabaho, dili maruwen ang inyong future kung di mo mag-graduate og high school kay high school man gyud ang point of kanyang madawat na sa pagpanarbaho o mag-pursue na sa ato ang college dream course. So gamay na lang nga panahon, duha na lang katuig sa grade 11, ang isa na lang katuig for grade 12. Agwantahan na yun na makagraduate mo. Then, our canteen. So we have canteen which is affordable ang ato ang price. Kung dili mo maka-afford ato water na to ng mineral, we have also mineral water na tag piso-piso lang, but you bring your atong mineral water na bottle. Kay salod naman na ninyo, mahulog mo piso, makatubig na dayon mo nga piso-piso lang. So, makasave gihapon mo, nga dili mo makapalit sa mineral water. But bring your mineral water na bottle. Then, we have 4 restroom here or CRs, ito ang comfort room. Duha sa lalaki o duha sa babae. Please, always clean your toilet. And ayaw ibutang ang inyuhang mga, especially kanang wipes. Dili na siya malanay, so mo stock up ang atong CR. Wala na natin gamito, naroon ka sa 3rd floor. Basig mo naog ka dito sa 1st floor, mangita tag CR kung mo stock up. So we have to maintain cleanliness and also care to our comfort room. Okay, so this is now the ground for discipline and sanction of offenses. Number 1. All forms of cheating in any type of examination. So, dili bida mag-cheat. Kaya diba, sometimes we say that it's better to cheat than to repeat. Daw big masakpan mo. Repeat yun mo kaya i-tangkan man mo sa inyong klase. So, ayun yun na yung buhatan na it's better to cheat than to repeat. Mag-study yun para dili mag-cheating. Second is reporting to school under the influence of alcohol. Dili mo mosulod o klase kung nahubog mo. Walay mosulod dili o klase kung nahubog. Third, purposive destruction of school premises. Dili gyud ninyo gubon ang atong eskwelahan. Although atong eskwelahan dili tayo beautiful, but in the eyes of access and in the eyes of our students, this is the kind of school that will give you talent, that will give you opportunity after graduation in senior high school. The 4th one is vandalism. Dili mo pwede mag-vandal, kaya mag-vandal mo, makapamintal mo sa inyong i-vandal din ha. Then, cheating, dili pwede mangawat. And then 6, bullying, dili pwede mag-bully-bully. And number 7 is smoking. No smoking inside the school premises. Kung kasigarilyo na mo, kisay manabako dire, mga boys. Raise your hands. Kisay gusto manabako. Ayaw lang dire sa school. Pag uli na sa inyong balay, isa na po ka-sticky, makaguba na sa inyong lungs. Okay. First offense requires a letter of apology addressed to the administration and signed by the student, the advisor, the principal, and the guardian, and the administration. In the case of damage of the school property, payment will be another responsibility of the offender. Masanction pa mo, mamayag pa mo sa iyong ipangguba, mamintal pa rin mo kung inyong bidaot na itong mga pintan. Okay, second offense requires a letter of apology addressed to the administration and signed by the student, guardian, principal, advisor, and in the case of damage of any school property, payment will be another responsibility of the offender, and the offender will also be suspended for 5 successive days. Suspended mo kung mo gapon mo on the second offense. Okay, third offense. The offender shall be subjected to expulsion. Pahawaon na mo diri. So, ma-miss na ninyo ang opportunity na among ihatag sa inyo ha. The guardians deserve full knowledge of the decision of the administration. Humanizing, threatening fellow students and or faculty, trainer, staff, and administration. Forgery and tampering of pertinent documents, that is under the third offense. The act shall no longer be given other considerations. Hence, the offender shall be subjected to expulsion. Dili na mo pasayloon kung maabot na mo o third offense. Bisan pag muhilak mo. Kay aware na mo during our orientation na inunani ang atong mga policy, so dapat dili mo musupa. Kay anak magyud siya. When we go to classes, nagitay mga duties and responsibilities. Unlike in our house, unlike also when you find job, naagapon tayo mga duties and responsibilities. So right now, amo na mo i-train nga, maanad mo nga inanid ay ang pagpanginabuhi nga mupalo ka kung sa mga policies. The first act shall be sanctioned with the consequences quantifiable to the second offense. Hence, the offense can only be committed and dealt with twice. After that, on third na, that is expulsion. Okay? So, any question? Nabay mga pangutana. Dili lang po mahadlok, no? Kay, layo pa kayo ng third offense kung mabinusantaan. I do believe that our student previously and now, wala gagay na expulsion, walay napahawa kay mga buutan man. Daghang nakatrabaho, daghang naka-abroad, daghang naka-eskwela nga nag-graduate sa IIT nga magna cum laude, summa cum laude, because our faculty is higher caliber na sila ang mga documents and they are willing to share their talents and skills sa inyo ha. So, all you have to do is to attend classes regularly. Thank you very much and God bless us all.